Hi, my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to show you different ways to show fractions. So we'll start with a fraction like 1/4, and I'm going to show you a few different ways to express this fraction. The first way is through a diagram. So if you're going to draw a diagram, the denominator of the fraction always indicates how many equal pieces you're going to split your diagram up into. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a rectangle. You can do a circle or whatever shape you want. The important part is to split your diagram into 4 equal pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and try my best to do that without a ruler. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces that look like they're equal. Now 1/4 means 1 out of 4. So I'm going to go ahead and shade just one of my 4 equal pieces, and that represents 1/4. So that's a visual way to express a fraction. Another way to express a fraction would be as a decimal. So a fraction mark means division. So in order to simplify this and make it a decimal, we're going to divide. So we're doing 1 divided by 4, which is the same as 4 into 1. Now I know that 4 can't go into 1, so what I'm going to do is add a decimal and add a 0. As soon as you add a decimal when you're dividing, you have to bring that decimal up into your quotient. So I'm going to bring that decimal up. Now I do 4 into 10, which goes twice. 2 times 4 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 can't go into 2, so I have to add another 0 and bring it down. 4 goes into 25 times. 5 times 4 is 20. And now I'm done dividing. So 0.25 is the decimal equivalent of my fraction 1/4. And then one other way to express a fraction is through percents. Once you have it as a decimal, it's very easy to make it a percent. To make a decimal a percent, you move 2 spaces to the right. So I'm going to take the decimal 0.25 and I'm going to go 1, 2 spaces to the right, which means that my decimal would now be after the 5, but because that makes it a whole number, I don't need the decimal anymore. So now it's just 25%. So I can express the fraction 1/4 as a visual diagram, shading in 1 out of 4 equal pieces. I can express it as a decimal by using division, or I can express it as a percent by moving the decimal space over and making it a percent. My name is Maria, and I just showed you different ways to express fractions.